Today, I'm going to show you how to naturally cleanse your liver and revitalize your entire body in just 3 days. If you've tried cleanses before and ended up frustrated, tired, or worse, you're not alone. I've personally tested nearly every cleanse out there. Some left me feeling amazing, but many left me sick, stuck in bed for weeks. The method I'm about to share with you is different. It's gentle, incredibly effective, and rooted in real biological science. And best of all, it's something you can start safely, even if you're busy, without crazy diets or expensive supplements. Let's dive right in. Your liver is an absolute miracle organ. Every single day, your liver filters about 1.4 liters of blood every minute, detoxifies medications, alcohol, pesticides, and chemicals, breaks down and eliminates waste products, regenerates itself. It's one of the few organs that can regrow. Without a healthy liver, your body simply can't function. When your liver gets overburdened, from poor diet, stress, environmental toxins, you might notice symptoms like fatigue, brain fog, skin problems, weight gain, digestive issues. And unfortunately, most of the quick fixes you hear about barely scratch the surface. That's why what we're doing here goes deeper. We're going to support your liver's natural ability to heal, clean, and rebuild. Now, you may have heard the word detox, but real detoxification happens inside your cells thanks to a process called autophagy. Here's how it works. Inside every cell, you have little organelles called lysosomes. Think of them as garbage disposals. Lysosomes digest and recycle old, damaged cell parts, harmful pathogens, and toxins. This recycling process is called autophagy. Auto meaning self, and phagy meaning eating. Autophagy is crucial because it prevents buildup of junk inside your body, and it triggers regeneration of healthy new tissues. The problem? Most of us are blocking autophagy every day without realizing it. By constantly eating, snacking, and staying in a high insulin state. Here are the 7 best ways to naturally activate autophagy, ranked from mild to powerful. 1. Phytonutrients. Certain plant compounds like curcumin, resveratrol, EGCG from green tea lightly stimulate recycling inside cells. 2. Ketogenic diet. Cutting carbs keeps insulin low, creating a better environment for autophagy. 3. Exercise. Movement, especially resistance training and HIIT, stresses cells just enough to trigger repair mechanisms. 4. Deep sleep. When you sleep, your body focuses heavily on repair and detoxification. 5. Calorie restriction. Eating fewer calories, even without full fasting, kickstarts the cleanup. 6. Water fasting. Skipping food and only drinking water lets the body dig deep into cleaning up dead cells. 7. Dry fasting. Going without both food and water for limited periods creates a hyper-efficient, deep autophagic state. Now, I was skeptical at first about dry fasting. We've been told you can't survive without water for 3 days. But the truth is, for short windows like 12 to 16 hours, dry fasting can be incredibly safe and even beneficial. Here's why dry fasting works so powerfully. Without external water, your body starts burning fat, releasing water stored inside fat cells. Inflammation plummets. Your immune system strengthens dramatically. Your liver and kidneys get a rare chance to rest instead of constantly processing incoming fluids. 1 day of dry fasting is equivalent to about 3 days of water fasting in terms of autophagy effects. Pretty amazing, right? Here's exactly what you'll do. Start your dry fast at sunrise. No food, no water. End your fast at sunset, about 12 to 14 hours later. When you break your fast, you'll have 1 nutrient-dense meal. Important. If you have any kidney, liver, or chronic health conditions, check with your doctor first before attempting dry fasting. Safety first, always. When you break your dry fast, eat intentionally. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, arugula, packed with sulforaphane and other compounds that support liver detox pathways. High-quality protein, beef, chicken, fish, lamb, provides essential amino acids like glutamine and cysteine, critical for rebuilding tissues and boosting glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. You can also add broccoli sprouts, 20 to 50 times more powerful than mature broccoli. Raw sauerkraut for probiotics and gut health. This combo creates the perfect healing environment inside your body. Sometimes when you start any cleanse, you might feel headaches, digestive upset, fatigue. This often happens because of bile congestion, thick bile not flowing properly through your liver and gallbladder. To prevent this, take bile salts before you start. Eat beets or drink beet juice to naturally thin your bile. Use apple cider vinegar in water daily. If you ever feel stuck or bloated, a simple bile salt supplement on an empty stomach can bring relief fast. Beyond liver cleansing, dry fasting can also help with mental clarity. You might notice sharper thinking within a day. Reduced inflammation, great for joint pain and autoimmune issues. Stronger metabolism, by burning fat for energy efficiently. Improved gut health, by giving your intestines a rest from constant digestion. And guess what? You're even getting extra dry fasting hours while you sleep. Here's your simple, powerful 3-day liver cleanse plan. Dry fast from sunrise to sunset. Break your fast with cruciferous vegetables and clean protein. Support your bile flow with beets, vinegar, or bile salts. Repeat for 3 consecutive days each month. That's it. No crazy supplements, no complicated schedules, just real results. And there you have it. A simple, natural way to give your liver the reset it deserves and recharge your entire body. Remember, small steps done consistently create powerful transformations. So if you're ready to experience more energy, clearer thinking, and true vitality, start your 3-day cleanse this week. Your body will thank you. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and share this video with someone you know who could use a fresh start. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, letting me know when you're planning to start your cleanse. Until next time, stay healthy, stay empowered, and take care of your amazing body. See you soon.